are important for a healthy body. Let us now learn about the structure of teeth. Each tooth that we can see in our mouth is just 1/4 of its total size. A major portion of the tooth is embedded within the gums. Gums are the soft pink flesh that surround the teeth and hold them firmly in place. A tooth has three main parts: crown, neck, and root. The crown is the shiny white portion of the tooth visible above the gums. The neck of the tooth is the slightly narrow portion between the crown and the root. The root is embedded within the gums and extended into the jawbone. It holds the tooth firmly in place. Now we are going to learn about different layers of the tooth. A tooth is made up of three layers: enamel, dentin, and pulp. Enamel is the hard white colored outer covering that covers the crown of the tooth. It protects the tooth from daily wear and tear while chewing. Without the enamel, the tooth would be very sensitive. It is the hardest part of our body. Dentin. It lies below the enamel. It is yellowish and softer than the enamel. It surrounds the nerves in the tooth. When exposed, it is sensitive to heat or cold. Pulp is the innermost, softest layer of the tooth. It carries blood vessels which supply nutrients to the tooth. It has nerves that help to feel the sensation of heat, cold, or pain. The enamel contains calcium and other minerals that keeps our teeth strong. Hence, eating food rich in calcium benefits our teeth. Thank you.